Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix why isn't Word opening on my laptop. Chapter 1. How to fix why isn't Word opening on my laptop repairing the application. To start, in the search box, enter Control, open the Control panel and click on Uninstall a program. After this, select Microsoft Office and click Change. Press Yes. After this, activate the Quick Repair box. Click on Repair and confirm by clicking on Repair again. You are going to wait for this repair to complete. Now you can check that Word opens without problems. Chapter 2. How to fix why isn't Word opening on my laptop from system configuration. To start, enter misconfig in the search box. Open System Configuration. After this, go to the Services tab. You are going to check the box to hide all Microsoft services. When you do this, click Disable All. When you click Apply and OK, it will be necessary to restart the system. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. When you log in again, open Word. Chapter 3. How to fix why isn't Word opening on my laptop running as administrator. To start, enter Word in the search box. Click Run as administrator. Click Yes, and you will see that it opens without any error. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.